Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to not a hashtag 100 days, well, really hashtag 100 days of Halloween, Vlogtober extended. I don't know what day it is now, 33, 34, 30. I missed a few days, sorry about that. I was in a flare, and then I just wasn't feeling good, and yesterday and today I've just been nothing but tired. So here I am though, because I do need to finish opening my gifts from Cindy before Christmas time, because I really would like to do something for Vlogmas and not have this stuff carry over into it. I'd like to show you, I gotta weave in my ends, but I made my bestie Lisa had requested me make a poncho for one of her friends. And so I did. This is Karen's Simply Soft, but I don't remember what color. It had been given to me, and I just not used it. And so I thought, well, it'll make a really soft poncho. And it did. Very squishy, very nice, beautiful color. It's like a turquoise color. I'm sure y'all can see that on there. I just don't know what color it was. And I don't know what I did with the ball bands. So, yeah. But there's the poncho. I'll try to look for the tutorial and post it in the description box, but I might forget. But it's just an easy granny stitch poncho. That's all it is, like nothing special. So you could probably find one just about anywhere, the granny stitch poncho. So let's see, I'm going to open 22, 23, and 24 today. So let's see. And in case you don't know, this is a gift swap I did with Cindy from Pups and Crochet. She will be linked down below. And we swapped, and we were running late. Both of us, it just didn't get done. Next year, she says she's going to get me, that I got her good. She's going to get me. So next year, this will be done again. I'm going to start already this year doing it. I mean, you know, gathering stuff for next year, Cindy. It's now a challenge to see who can make who laugh the hardest, send the goofiest gift, whatever. Oh, this is a headband. Okay, I love headbands because sometimes my hair, it's warm enough that I can wear it down. Not very often, I have thick hair, but I need it off of my face, and so I can never have enough of these because I always lose them. So thank you. Number 23. See, I didn't think of that kind of stuff. We know I did get one thing that was kind of like that. Let's see, what's this? What is that? Oh my goodness. My Dollar Tree didn't have these. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, I gotta open it to show it to you. I'm
all trying to peek.
Look.
Oh Lord, that is crazy.
It's an ear, and I don't know what all. Let's open them up and see. I don't know where I'm gonna keep them at, so Sasha can't get to them, but I will. Look, there's an ear. How in the world? Where did mine didn't have these? An eyeball, a finger. These will be good for next year. I'll be scaring people. And another finger. So there's two fingers, an ear, and an eyeball. Those are so cool, Cindy. Mine did not have these. That is flipping cool. Heck yeah.
For some reason, I started thinking of Terror Train when I saw the finger.
Oh, yeah. Movie for tonight is Terror Train. We watched it. It has Jamie Lee Curtis in it. Great movie. If you like those slasher, 80s movies, I suggest it. I highly suggest it. It's 2 thumbs up. And I think Captain Amazing would agree.
Agree, yeah. Especially
I love
after
Jamie Lee Curtis, so.
Especially after the first 20 minutes, it gets really good.
Yeah. Yeah, you got to give it a little time to warm up. Okay, now I'm opening 24. It's squishy. Oh, she wrapped it in these bubbles again. I'm going to guess that this was Robert's idea to make things more complicated for me. That's who I'm going to blame for the bubbles. Not that I mind them, except for my dog. I don't get to pop them. They're very satisfying to pop for me, especially anxiety. But I can't if my dog Baby is in hearing shot because she
gets there she goes.
See, she already saw it and she's headed to bye-byes. Oh, he's cute. Look at this little skeleton. Mine didn't have these either. What the heck?
That's cool.
That is so cute. He's adorable. love him. He's got to sit up there somewhere. Scully is still here. He's behind me, but I still have Scully. And now I got the skeleton to go with it and all those Halloween-y body parts. So, thank you, Cindy. I love this. This is so freaking cool. Like, I don't even know what I'm going to do with them, but I love them. Put them on my shelves, little pieces of body thrown everywhere. That'd be funny. And him, he's adorable. He is just fantastic, I swear. Okay, so... like I said, I made this poncho. I opened 3 gifts today. Our movie for y'all to watch is Terror Train. It's on Tubi. There's 2 of them, but only one of them has Jamie Lee Curtis, of course. So that's the one you want to watch. I will put that in the description box, and I'll try to remember to look up the tutorial for this. But like I said, it's just a basic granny stitch poncho. So I think you could find plenty of tutorials for that and patterns. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. So, until next time, which hopefully will be tomorrow, hopefully I can start taking y'all to do some fun stuff. We've kind of been slacking, but yeah, maybe we can start recording our day sometimes again like we used to. And I've had a request for Mental Health Mondays to come back. I just can't seem to get into the groove of that, but I will try. I promise. For those that really are missing Mental Health Mondays, I will try to do that. I wanted to do a coffee advent for Christmas, but good Lord. So this one, accidentally popped that.
Baby's like,
I was watching Beverly. I will link her down below, from Beverly's Crafts, I think. Anyway, I was watching her, and she showed a coffee advent she had from Aldi's. Well, we don't have an Aldi, and hers was $13.99. So I looked on Amazon, because we don't have an Aldi's. The same flippin' advent is, what did I tell you, babe?
30 bucks.
30 something, 37 something, or something like that. It's expensive.
Over double the price.
I cannot pay that to do a coffee advent, so I'm sad. And we don't have an Aldi's or nothing for me to look for one. And I won't be going anywhere that has an Aldi's, I don't think. We don't have a lot in this town. We have Walmart, really, honestly. And they don't have any advents. So, oh well. It was a thought. I wanted to do the coffees and maybe one other advent, like a cheaper one. Like the socks I did last year. I would like to do the socks again, because y'all know I love funky socks. But yeah, and I could probably do the sock one still, but the coffee one... nope, not gonna happen. Okay, I got off on a tangent, but stay spooky. I love y'all, and hopefully I'll be back tomorrow to open a few more gifts and maybe talk about what else I've been working on crocheting. I haven't been whipping stuff out like crazy because it's not Halloween anymore, and don't know when I'll get to another craft show. That's for another episode to talk about what's going on there, but yeah, so I have been working on some stuff, and hopefully I'll talk about it later. So, okay, I'm really going now. Bye, y'all.